Hey man, how are you? Not much. I've been doing great, just chilling, doing me, hey, I know for the past few months you've been like MIA, like what's good with you? Man, I've just been focusing, I just had to take my time out for myself, just focus on me and do better. Now, I got my shit together, sometimes you need that time, you feel me? Well, I mean, all right, that's good, man. We all gotta do what we gotta do. You want ox? Oh, hell yeah, man. Give me that ox. Let me go ahead and play some shit for you. All right, I got you. Shit. Put you on that new. You feel me? Oh, well, shit. All right, play me some new shit. All right, man, you ready? I got you. Look, listen, about to put it up. Put it up. Sorry about that. I thought. Oh, is this the new stuff? What's wrong with you? When you put your phone into the thing, it automatically plays what you were last playing. Hold on. I got you. I don't know what that was about. Oh. Well, all right, man. Cause I was about to say, I don't know what that was.
Yeah, you gotta rock and wait in this one. Come on, sit down.
Wait, are you crying? The hell is wrong with you? Are you okay? Oh no, I'm not okay. My girl broke up with me, and we used to listen to this song. I need my Kelly back, man. I need her. Well, all right, man. Listen. Fuck that bitch. Okay? Listen, I know it's hard. All right, you're gonna be good. I should forget about her, but I just can't. That was my woman. That was my girl. That was my babe. I got you with a tune to make you forget about her. All right?
Bitch, could have hollered about fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch.
Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Ah, you like it? You like it? No. Oh, wait. I'm not at all helping the situation. No, you're not helping. Not at all, friend. Well, that's fucking awkward. Oh, wait, hold on, Oh, wait, I'm not helping the situation. Not at all. Well, I tried. Get the fuck out of my car.